Hello student, in this video I am going to start chapter 1 sets of class 11 maths. So in this video first we shall discuss the basic definition of sets and their representation. So dear children, the definition of set, okay, so a set is a well defined, okay, a set is a well defined collection of object. Okay, so basically a set is a well defined collection of object. So here the word well defined collection of object means the not okay, not vary from person to person, it is same from one person to another person, right? The word well defined collection means not vary from person to person, it is same from one person to another person. For example, the collection of vowels in English alphabet, okay, the collection of vowels of English alphabet, it is a set because the collection of English vowels is, this is A, E, I, O, U, okay. So this is not vary from person to person. If you ask one person what is vowels, then he say A, E, I, O, U, and to ask other person he also said the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, okay. So such type of collection, okay, say that this is well defined collection, okay. Next, the collection of first 5 prime natural number. So this collection is also well defined because the first 5 prime natural number are 2, 3, 5, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay. So the first 5 prime natural number is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, and this collection is well defined because if you because it is not vary from person to person, so we can say this collection is a well defined, and if the collection is well defined then it is a set. The third example is here, see, the collection of good cricket player of India is not a set, okay. The collection of good cricket player of India is not a set because it is not vary from one person to other person, it is vary from person to person, okay. So therefore the collection of good cricket player of India is not a well defined, okay. Suppose if Sachin Tendulkar is my good cricket player, but it is not same for you, okay, it is different for you, so we can say this collection is not well defined. So we also see some more example of sets, okay. So this is clear that a set is a nothing but it is a collection of well defined object or things, okay. So dear children, we notice some following points here. The object, elements and members of a set are synonymous terms. right? And second point is the set are as usually denoted by the capital letter. Basically, the set is denoted by capital letter like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. And third point is the element of a set are represented by small letter. Okay, the element of a set are represented by small letter like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. Okay. Okay. If a if small a is a element of set A, okay, then we can say that A is belong to A, and it is represented by a Greek letter symbol epsilon. Okay, A is A, epsilon A. This symbol name is epsilon. This is look like E. Okay, A belong to A. The symbol is called epsilon. Okay. So if A is the element of set, if A is an element of set A, then we can say A belong to set A, and it is represented by A epsilon A. Okay, and suppose if B is not belong to set A, then we write B not element of set A. Okay, cut the epsilon side, so this means B not belong to set A. Okay, and in mathematics we also talk about some collection represented by the few symbol. It is important to remember that. Okay, what is a representation of collection? Like set. Okay, the symbol N represent the set of natural numbers. The set of natural numbers, and also Z plus Z equal to the set of integers, the set of integers, and Z plus represent the set of positive integers, and similarly Z minus represent the set of negative integers. Okay, and Q, you know that capital Q is the set of rational number, and also the symbol Q plus and Q minus represent the set of positive rational number, and Q minus represent the set of negative rational number, and similarly R represent the set of real number, and R plus represent the set of all positive real number, and R negative represent the set of all negative real number. So these are few symbols representing a set of particular kind of number in number systems. Okay, so these are always remember that. Now move to the next topic, description of a set or representation of a set. So there are two ways representing a set. The first is roster form or tabular form. Second is set builder form. Okay, the representation of set, there are following two ways. The first is roster form or tabular form. The second is set builder form. In roster form, okay, in roster form, all element of the set listed, okay, all element of a set are listed. The element are being separated by comma and enclosed in this process. Okay, in roster form, all element of a set in roster form, all elements are the all element of the set are listed and separated by comma. In roster form, all element of set are listed, separated by comma, and separated by comma, enclosed and enclosed in the braces. Okay, for example, the set of vowels, in English alphabet, so we know this is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so in roster form this is written as in process and listing A, E, I, O, U separated by comma. So this is the representation of roster or tabular form. And also take another example. The set of all factor of 10. Okay, the set of all factor up 10. So this is 1, 2, 5 and 10. So this is representation of roster or tabular form. In roster form or tabular form, the element of a set is not repeated. Okay, it is write only one time. Suppose if we want to write a set for the letter of the school, so we write in curly bracket S C H. Here O appear 2 times, so we have to write only 1. Okay, L. So in roster form, the repeated letter write only 1 time. Okay, if you write twice, so there is no effect in the set. Okay. The next type of representation is set builder form. So in set builder form, all element of the set possessed by a common property. Okay, all element of a set possessed by common single property. Okay, which is not possessed by any element outside the set. For example, the set of vowels, the set of vowels. Suppose we want to write the set of vowels of English alphabets. So this is represented by in set builder form braces written x such that x, okay, x such that x is a English vowels. Okay, or this is also written as x lines x, okay, I sign is a English vowels. So here the brasses represent the set of, here notice that the brasses represent the set of all x. Okay, the set of all is x, and the colon symbol or line symbol I symbol represents such that the set of all x such that x is a English vowel. Okay, so this means, and also we more understand solving the exercise problem, how to represent the given set in roster and set builder.